Good morning, children. In the last session, we completed the fourth lesson, Natural Universe. Right? In this session, I would like to explain the big part of the lesson as well as companion. All of you get ready, students? And open studio page number 51. Now this is time to complete the big part as well as companion. Okay? Students, we have a activity 4.5. Describe the term natural resources in your own words. Give example. Just I wrote for this. A natural resource is something that is found in nature and can be used by people. Example: sunlight, wind, water, animals, trees. We have examples. Coming to table, yeah, second one. Compare and contrast renewable and non-renewable resources. This is a comparison between the renewable resources and non-renewable resources. So, renewable resources that can regrow or can be replaced within a person lifespan. Living or non-living? Yes, living things, renewable resources. So for example, trees. Tree is a living thing. Non-renewable resources that take longer than a person's lifespan to be replaced. Yes, I already told you it takes millions of years to regrow. So that is a non-renewable resources or non-living things. Now the examples: air, water, trees, wind, soil, sunlight, animals, etc. Here natural gas, coal, oil, gold, silver, diamond, etc. Okay, these are the examples of non-renewable resources. Now open page number 52, children. We have a mind map. Natural resources based on the amount of time they take to be replaced. Renewable resource, non-renewable resources. Examples: air, water, trees, wind, soil, sunlight, and animals. Examples of non-renewable resources. What are they? Natural gas, coal, oil, gold, silver, and diamond. These are the examples of non-renewable resources. Now, coming to question time, we have first Roman, fill in the blanks. Natural gas and coal are examples of non-renewable resources. Dash natural resources are resources that can regrow or be replaced within person's lifespan. Yes, it is a renewable resources. Now third one, windmill use the energy from wind to produce electricity. Fourth one, dash are natural resources that are home to a variety of plants and animals. Forests are natural resources that are home to a variety of plants and animals. Now coming to second Roman, state whether the following are true or false. All non-renewable resources are non-living. Yes, correct only. For example, diamond, coal, petroleum, natural gas. These are the non-living things, right? Second one, non-renewable resources take millions of years to form. Yeah, true only. On the base, we have a 3 and 4 also. Coming to 3, sunlight is an example of a non-renewable resource. Yeah, it's a false. Fourth one, air and water are non-renewable natural resources. No, it is false. It can regrow and it can be replaced by in the human's lifespan of time. Okay, that's why it is a both are false.